Doing another quick unboxing video here for Aero Precision upper I got. It was a 7.5 with their enhanced rail, quad rail. Yeah, let's see what it looks like here. Obviously I haven't opened this up yet. I've bought other rails from them before, and the packaging is usually pretty generic. Not much to see, really. So, just a bunch of paperwork. Bunch of packing, looks like. And there's the foam. And something else there. I don't know what to call that. This is pretty much how it always looks when they ship you something. Oh, there you go. Barrel wrench. Barrel nut wrench. I'm guessing, I guess, if you want to change out the handguard on it, or the barrel nut. There it is. So, yeah, looks good. Yeah, I'm pretty happy with this so far. It looks pretty nice. This is for a pistol build I'm doing. I'm going to change out this flash hider, and I've got this KK Industry flash can that's going to go on there. So that'll be happening. You see that it's all T-marked across the top here on the rail, on the receiver, so that's nice. And this is the enhanced upper rail, or I'm sorry, enhanced upper receiver. So the handguard mounts to an actual metal extension of the receiver versus, you know, a big barrel nut that threads onto the threads of the receiver. There's actually a big metal extension of the receiver that this is mounted on. So I think it gives it more of a structural support that way. But honestly, I don't think there's anything wrong with the standard uppers either. So yeah, that's it. Looks pretty good. Pretty happy with it. It's got a little weight to it. It's not too bad. I mean, it is a quad rail, so you know, it's got a little bit extra weight with all the rails, but yeah, not much else to say. Once this thing's built and done, I'll maybe put some more info out about it, but yeah, looks like it's nice. I like it. It's got QD mounts here, here, here. It's got Aero's little insignia here. But yeah, I like it. It looks pretty good. So just a standard flash hider on there. It actually looks like it's mistimed a little bit, but whatever. It's coming off anyway. Yeah, cool. Looks good. Yeah, so there you go. That's the 7.5 complete upper, enhanced upper in 5.56 with the quad rail on it. So any questions? I'll be finishing up the build on this thing and post some more videos. But yeah, any questions about it, or if anybody wants to know anything else about it, let me know. Oh, the cost. That's probably the big kicker. It was $320. I got it for shipped, free shipping. So yeah, there you go. Any questions, post below. Thanks.